Let me get this going. Boom, boom, over here. Boom, boom. Let's go. There we go. Ah, there we go. There we go. All right, we're back up. Let's put the music back in. All right. All right, we're back at it again, guys. It is what it is. Sorry for that technical issues. I got a wardrobe malfunction on the computer. It is what it is, guys. Well, we're back up. We're going to keep going. What were we talking about? We're talking about Bitcoin, right? Let me put this over here. All right, here we go. I'm back. Let's go. Big shout out for everybody who stuck around. You guys are awesome. I know you want this information. I know you want it. Hopefully my computer just does not fuck with me again. Man, I'm going to have to get another power supply. That sucks. But it is what it is. It's computer, guys. All right, let's go back into it. Bitcoins. So what was I saying? I was saying that Bitcoin is not on the golden zone. So if it's not on the golden zone, I do not trade it. I get away. I do something else. I trade on some other coin. Okay. If it's not in the golden zone on the Fibonacci, I do not trade it. So for me, it's a no-go for Bitcoin. I am going to be waiting for Bitcoin to be within these two prices. Write this down. Take a screenshot. Do whatever you got to do. 24,636. Okay. 24,636 or 23,330. Those are great. Crypto Boys over on the Twitch. Thank you for that follow. Big shout out to you. These are my two entry prices for some Bitcoin action, 24K and 23K. Make sure you take a screenshot of this. Make sure that you follow the rules, guys. If it's not between these two areas right here, if it doesn't close below this zone right here, I am not going to go in on Bitcoin. I'm going to wait patiently till it does. Okay? Ivelisse over on the YouTube. What's up, Ivelisse? I have my VPN in Proton. I tried to buy XRP in BitGet, but it does not accept my payment method for my accounts that I have in the USA. What other method can I use to buy XRP? What method were you using on BitGet? Remember that you can only buy on BitGet if you have USD Tether in BitGet. You can't buy in BitGet with your bank account because BitGet is not regulated in the United States. What that means is that you can't use cash or your credit card or your bank account to buy XRP in BitGet or any other exchange that is not accepted in the United States, that is not regulated in the United States. If you want regulated exchanges in the United States that use your bank account, then you need Uphold. You need to go to uphold.com. I don't recommend it. Okay. But some people enjoy regulated exchanges. They want that security or whatever. But FTX was also regulated in the United States, and look what they did. So regulation doesn't really save you from shit. But it's regulated. You can use your bank account. You can use your cash. You can use your credit card, okay, to buy XRP within an exchange in the United States. They do have a 25-day hold whenever you buy any new asset. If you buy XRP, you have to wait 25 days to take it out of Uphold. That doesn't roll with me. Okay. So Uphold for me. But if you want unregulated, where you can buy it now and take it out now, you also have KuCoin. KuCoin.com it's one of my favorite platforms out there. I do most of my trades go in KuCoin. Okay. HODL 2025, they changed their wait rule. They have? Do you know how many days you have to wait? Let me know how many days, because I haven't used Uphold in a long time. I don't buy on Uphold anymore. Maybe I'll sell to deposit to my bank account, but I don't buy on Uphold. So let me know, guys, if you have if they have another wait rule. Crypto Ain't Dead is saying buy on Uphold and send it to Zoom. Yes, that is a great plan. Remember to never ever leave any assets on any exchange whatsoever. HODL 2025 saying no more wait for XRP. For real? Really? There's no more wait for XRP? That's huge. That is beyond amazing. Let me know if that's true, guys. Because if there is no hold anymore on your XRP and Uphold, my man, use Uphold. Use Uphold. Buy it today, get it out of the exchange immediately. If you don't have a 25, you can use it. You can use cash. You can use your bank account. Why not? But if that is not the case, that you do not want to use, then if Elise over's on YouTube asking, I can transfer from my Coinbase account to BitGet? Yes. You need to buy USD Tether from Coinbase. Okay, buy USD Tether and send USD Tether to your BitGet account. Let me get my BitGet account here. So you make a deposit on BitGet. I'm opening up BitGet. And you need to make a deposit on USD Tether. USD Tether. Make sure that the chain is ERC20. Okay, ERC20, because you're using Ethereum as the blockchain to send your USD Tether. If you use any other blockchain, you're not going to get your funds. Okay. When it comes to Coinbase, they do it by default. They buy it from the ERC20. So if you're buying USD Tether from Coinbase to send it to BitGet or KuCoin or whatever other exchange, make sure that it says ERC20. And this will be your address right here, this QR code. You can go ahead and scan it from Coinbase, scan it from there, and then you send USD Tether to your spot account in BitGet. It has to be USD Tether. It doesn't accept cash. It doesn't accept your bank account because it's not regulated in the United States. So you're tricking the system by using a VPN to mask your address so that you're not in the United States, but you're also tricking the system to buy XRP using USD Tether. Okay? So send USD Tether to BitGet and through ERC20, and then you buy the XRP using your USD Tether. Okay. It's simple to do. You just got to practice like everything else. Repetition is the mother of skill. You just got to do it over and over and over again. Test it out with $10 just in case, you know. First, test it out for $10. Once you get the finicky, the process done, then you're good. Evelise, okay, thank you. Nah, thank you. Thank you for stopping by. Any questions you guys have, go right ahead and write it down. I'll try to do my best. Scott Campbell over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you, Scott. Exodus wallet is the best wallet as you can buy and hold all in one place, so it's safe. Yep, Exodus wallet is also a great alternative. Hell yeah. I personally do not use Exodus wallet. I have used it in the past. For me, it's all about cold storage. I don't leave crypto in any exchange whatsoever, even if it's safe. For me, I like this extra layer of security outside of the internet, outside of my computer. But that's just me. I mean, you know, you guys do whatever you want to do. But Exodus is a great wallet. Also, Atom wallet is also a great example, a great alternative if you guys want to store some crypto on those exchanges over there. So completely up to you guys. Completely up to you. For me, cold storage. I got my EliPal and I store all of my crypto in my EliPal. Okay. But I buy it from KuCoin, I buy it from BitGet, I buy it from Coinbase, I buy it from Uphold, I buy it from wherever I can get my hands on it, you know? Crypto and Dead is saying some TA on self-key. Self-key. What the heck is self-key? Is that a crypto? Is that a, what is that? Coin market cap. Is that a crypto? Safe key? What was it? Let me see. So self key. Self key. I've never heard of this coin. Oh, it's trading less than 1 cent. Try to get 100K of that one. Do some 100K action on self key. I kind of have like this challenge, this personal challenge that if I see a meme coin like that, I try to stack up at least 100,000 of that coin for however much it is. Well, it really all depends on how much you have willing to lose. But let's see what is Self-Key. Self-Key is a blockchain-based identity platform. The technology provides individuals, companies, exchanges, fintech startups, and banks with a platform to manage and identify data. Oftentimes KYC. The core team has worked on centralized identity since 2014. Companies. The Self-Key wallet is a free open source non-custodial wallet that allows users to securely store and transmit both digital assets. So it's a wallet. Self-Key is a wallet. selfkey.org. Let me look at their website. I always like to do just a little bit of research, you know, before I go in on some coin. Your identity, your crypto, your keys, your data, your wallet. So it's a wallet. It's a wallet. And I'm guessing the fees are used with the coin, the self-key coin. So this is a hot wallet. Okay, cool. Yeah. Let's do some TA on self-key. I'll write it down so that whenever I finish the top 10, we'll look at that. Guys, if you have any coins, anything you want to look at, go ahead and write it down on the chat box. Self-key. We'll do some TA on that one too. So guys, like I was saying, Bitcoin not getting in until it reaches the support zone down here, 23K or 24K, whatever makes you feel more comfortable. Moving on to some Ethereum. Do we have some Ethereum action? Do we have a low? Do we have a high? Do we have a pullback on the high? Yes, we do. So we have a shark fin formation. Crypto ain't dead over. Thank you, brother. No, my man. Thank you for stopping by, bro. Thank you. I'll do some TA. We'll get to it. So that shark fin formation translates to the Fibonacci. Look at what Ethereum is doing. Ethereum finding support on the 382, but it is not within the golden zone. Right within this yellow bar down here. So if the asset is not within that zone right there, I do not trade it. Personally, I do not trade it. Okay. Even though back here, we did have a low down here, a high down here, and a pullback over here. But that is not the scenario. Oh, no, not yet. No. So this one is the one that's going to play out, guys. This is the one that's going to play out. I am thinking that on summer, remember that summer usually prices tend to come back down. If it actually comes back down, then this is my entry price for Ethereum, 1,627. Okay. So maybe June, July, maybe we'll have the little dumpy dump that we always get on summertime, 1,627. Do with that information as you may. I'm trading Ethereum at 1,627. That's what I'm getting in. Highest demand zone on Ethereum, 1,627. Scott Campbell over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you. XRP is going to be massive. Yes, it is. And I am not missing out like all these haters. Bro, I don't really care about what people are saying. Nobody has control of my funds. Nobody can tell me what to do. They can say whatever the hell they say. Remember that we live in a country which protects freedom of speech. If you want to be a hater on XRP, that's completely up to you, my man. I'm not saying shit. I'm stacking up on my XRP. If it actually does go to $5, I don't want to say I told you so, but I will. Oh man, will I? Oh man, you don't even know. Antonio Benz over on the YouTube. Welcome, Antonio. What do you think of Bitcoin short term, 1 hour and 4 hourly? So you want to talk about short-term trading. So remember that we always start with the big point of view. You know, we always start with the daily chart. But if you want to be a scalper, you want to come back down to even smaller time frames, then let's look at the 15-minute chart. Remember, the daily chart gives you direction. Direction is to the downside, okay, because we got this red candles formation over here. So we might have a little bit of downwards action. Okay. So let's go to the 1 hourly and let's see if we can have some price action over here. Do we have a low? Do we have a high? Do we have a pullback on the high? Yes, we do. We have a low. We have a high. And we have a pullback on the high on the 1 hourly. Antonio, hello, my man. How are you doing? I'm doing super duper good. Enjoying these prices to the upside. You know how it is. So we have the high. We have the low. We have the high. Look at that, guys. On the 1 hourly, this was your signal to get in. That's see what I'm saying? This is what I mean, guys. It's finding support on the 618 on the 1 hourly. So we're probably going to get a little bouncy bounce from here. So if you're going to start stacking up on some Bitcoin action on the hourly, remember this is on the hourly. The hourly gives you it's not as good as the daily chart. I trade on the daily chart, but on the hourly, high risk, high reward. Get some Bitcoin. It's on the bouncy bounce action right here. See how it's finding the support and it bounces from there, found the support and bounce from there, found the support and bounce from there. Every single time it touches the 618, that's when you want to get in on Bitcoin. It's the highest demand zone on Bitcoin. So on the hourly, my man, Antonio, get some Bitcoin. Price action to the upside. Okay? On the hourly. High risk, high reward. High risk, high reward. But that's where you want to be. That's where you want to be. Man, I have so many guys. Again, if I do not go through all of your your comments and your questions and whatnot, I am sorry. This is so. I gotta find a way to get like a bot, like a chat bot over on TikTok because oh man, I am blowing up on TikTok and that's wonderful, of course. But I wish I could read out every single comment. I see if I'm gonna search if I can find a chat bot for TikTok. Big shout out to Mr. Nice. Hi, bro. It's all good. You know how it is, my man. It's all good. All right, let's move on to my beautiful baby girl, XRP. What is XRP doing right now? As you all know, I'm super mega skewed on XRP, and I don't care what anybody says. I'm holding on to some XRP price action to the upside, my man. I am holding on to XRP like there is no tomorrow. Okay, and I don't care what anybody says. You can all say that it's crashing, is going to zero. Then I'm getting more XRP if it goes to zero. It is what it is. Guys, XRP having some nice price action to the upside. Hope you all had a chance to get in on my trade. My XRP trade right now is trading at, let's check it out. My XRP trade is XRP. All right, look at that, guys. My XRP trade is up 95%. Actually, one of them is 110%, and the other one is up 60%. Hope you all jumped into this one, guys. We're enjoying these price action to the upsides. How do I know that that price was going to bounce? Well, because I know that it was going to bounce from the 618. Big shout out to Antonio over on the YouTube. I'm starting to get back into crypto after losing my 1,800 USD account. Yeah. 2021, 2022 was horrible for anybody on crypto. So many goddamn rug pulls, guys. Fucking FTX. Fucking, what was it? Voyager. Oh, man. I don't. You know what? Let's etch a sketch. Let's just forget about 2022. Forget about 2022. It never happened. We can only go up from here. Okay? We can only get better from here. Guys, some XRP action right now. What are we going to do? Check this out, guys. Do we have a low? Always start with that, guys. Always start with, do we have a low? Do we have a high? And do we have a pullback on the high? Yes, we do. That means that we have a shark fin formation. After we get that shark fin formation, that translates into the Fibonacci. You take the Fibonacci tool and you drag it from the low to the high. And there it is. And see what happens, guys? This is what I'm talking about right here. See how it found support within the 618? It found support within the 618. That is rule number one. Rule number one is to find supports in the 618, go in on a long and start stacking up. That is the best demand zone for whatever asset you're looking at. Let's say that we're talking about stocks, forex, commodities, crypto, whatever you're trading, indexes, whatever. If it's trading within the 618, that is the highest demand zone on that asset. Okay. Highest demand zone on that asset. Okay. Highest demand zone on that. I'll say it a million times because people don't understand what does it mean when I'm talking about the Fibonacci on the 618. 618 is nothing else than finding the best support. I am skewed to longing XRP. I'm skewed. I know the value of XRP. I know where it's headed. So I'm always skewed to finding longing positions. Okay. Antonio Benz over on YouTube saying, where are you from, bro? I am, right now, I live in Puerto Rico. Born and bred. PR in the house. So, guys, what I'm talking about, the Fibonacci, the golden zone, the golden pocket, the fire sale zone, whatever you want to call it, the best demand zone on XRP is the 618. 618. Okay? 618. That's where you're going to want to start stacking almost some XRP. So we got in on XRP at 41 cents. We bounced from there. And we're enjoying this 100% on our trades. Anybody in my copy trading group is also enjoying this price action. I hope you're all holding strong. I will be holding on to this trade all the way up to 70 cents. Why? Because it found support within the 618. Then rule number 2, did it break the 382? Yes, it broke the 382. So if it breaks the 382, that means that there is high liquidity to the upside, high demand to the upside. What is that high demand? The next zone up on the Fibonacci, the negative side of the 382, right here, 70 cents. I am going to be holding on to this trade all the way up to 70 cents. Let's see if it actually plays out. Okay, let's see if it actually plays out. If it doesn't, and it comes back down to the 618, then I'm doubling down on my trade. Okay, and so on and so forth until it reaches that 70-cent mark. Okay. So this is my trade setup. I bought in at 41 cents and I'm going to sell at 70 cents. Another leg up. It could actually keep going higher than that. That your next take profit zone is the negative 618. If the 618 on the bottom is the highest demand zone, the negative 618 on the top is your highest liquidity zone, your highest order block on the upside. Okay. So you bought at 41. You sell at 71 or 80. You can put like a 50% sell on 71 and another 50 on 80. And then we wait for the pullback. When that pullback happens, then we do a whole other Fibonacci retracement tool and we find out what are the best entry prices. And we sort of rinse and repeat. Okay. That's how I trade every single time. And that's how I make these 100% trades right there. Okay. 100% trades. Very simple to do. It's repetition is the mother of skill, you know? Repetition is the mother of skill. You just got to do it over and over again. Antonio over on the YouTube says it in Spanish. Saludos, hermano boricua desde Argentina. So you are from Argentina, man. Big shout out to my brothers and sisters over on Argentina. How you doing, my man? Big shout out to you. I'm being seen on Argentina. Where is everybody else, by the way? Where are you guys watching me from? Whoa, that's a lot of comments. Let me see if I can. Big shout out to you, Spectre XRP. To the moon, you know how it is. Big shout out to Evil Era 001. Follow the. Thank you for that follow. Big shout out to Semi Q Ball, first time here. Welcome to the channel, my man. Make sure you smash that follow and like. You sound interesting. Do you teach? Yes. Every day. I am here 24 every single day, 7 days a week, 5 p.m. Eastern. I'm trying to stream every single day from Monday to Friday, at least from Monday to Friday. If not, I'm over on my Discord. So any questions that you guys have, anything you want to look at, anything, go to my Discord, link in bio or in the description of this video. On whatever platform you're looking at, make sure you sign up to my Discord. It's completely free. Whatever questions you guys have. Bosnia. Big shout out to Mr. Nice over on Bosnia. I'm being watched on Bosnia. Bro, I'm all over the world. Scotland. Kieran H1. Big shout out to you. I'm in Scotland right now. Wow, that is huge. Big shout out to my brothers and sisters over on Bosnia and Scotland. Santos Romero. Santos! What's going on, Santos? Big shout out to you. Or you're watching me on Connecticut. Big shout out to my brothers and sisters over on Connecticut. Hope you're all having a fantastic day as I am. You're enjoying these prices to the upside. Guys, XRP, that's my game plan. XRP, take my profits on 70 cents. If you guys can see my trade over here, you see that my open orders are, my take profits are on... Let me see if I can. Whoop, there it is. My take profit is on 70 cents over on BitGet. Whether I am looking at it or not, I have a limit sell order at 70 cents on XRP. I'm taking my profits and I'm going to wait for the pullback from there. That's my game plan, okay? You can follow if you want, or if not, completely up to you, okay? Let's look at some XLM action. All right, so let's look at XLM right here. Big shout out to Droxy997. Thank you for that follow over. Thank you, thank you. Big shout out to you, Droxy997. Guys, look at what XLM is doing right now. I hope you were here on the last few streams. I told you to get in on XLM. It was finding support within the 618. If it finds support within the 618, get in on that asset on the daily chart. On the daily chart. It found support on the 8-cent mark. I told you guys to get in. And right now it's testing the 0.5. Does it have strength enough to break the 0.5? I don't know. It kind of looks like it isn't, right? It kind of I don't see the volume. I don't see the interest. I don't hear any news on XLM. Or at least I don't see it. If you guys know anything about XLM that I don't, go right ahead and write it down on the chat box. So, XLM looking quite saucy to the upside. I hope you got in when I told you to. Take some profits on the way up. That 0.5 looks like it's being tested on the Fibonacci sequence. I don't know if it actually has the strength to break through that other 0.5. So that would be a nice take profit zone right there, guys, if you're trading it. I gotta get that gallon in, guys. Gotta get that gallon. So, guys, XLM, that was your point to get in on some XLM action. Buy it at the 618, sell it on whatever. If it actually breaks the 382, if we actually close above 0.09 cents, rest assured that XLM has a high probability that it is going to reach 13 cents on the Fibonacci. Okay, but we have to patiently wait for that to happen. Okay, we have to patiently wait for that to happen. Right now, I don't know if it actually has the steam to break through the 0.5. Let's see what tomorrow brings. If it closes above the 0.5, then hell yeah, it's going to close above the 382. But I'm waiting. I'm patiently waiting. I don't know what's going to happen, okay? All right, moving on to some self-key action. My man over here on the TikTok is asking me for some self-key TA. Self-key. All right, so where is self-key being traded at? Binance. All right, let's go for Binance. Ooh. All right, so let's check out some self-key action. Let's go to the daily chart. And what's the first thing that I do? I identify the low. Then I identify the high. And then I wait for the pullback on the high. And there is the pullback. Okay, so we have a low, we have a high, we have a pullback on the high, we have a shark fin formation. So that translates to what? The Fibonacci. So let's draw out our Fibonacci. And look at that, guys. So what is rule number one? Rule number one is to buy at the 618, which is the bottom. Okay. It found support within the 618, and then it bounced from there. That was your sign to get in on some self-key, my man. Okay. Crypto ain't dead. This is for you. Get in when it reaches the 618. It's as simple as that. So your signal to get on some self-key action was at 0.004882. That was your signal to get in on some price action on some self-key action. Then rule number two, did it break the 382? Rule number one, buy at 618. Rule number two, did it break the 382? Yes, it did. It broke the 382 right here. So if it breaks the 382, then there is a high probability that it is going to reach the negative side on the liquidity zone. If the 618 is the golden pocket, then the negative side would be the golden liquidity. This is where you take your profits. So it has a high probability that it is going to reach 2 cents. So we might see some 2-cent action on self-key. Right now it's trading at 1 cent. So that's 100% on your trade, guys, if you buy it at 1 cent. So it's a good go for me on self-key. If you guys want to trade some coins like that. I don't trade meme coins. I don't trade shit coins. I go for the top 10 on the crypto market cap, by market cap. But there's no reason why you guys shouldn't be making money. You just got to know the rules. Get in on the 618, get out on the negative 382. Okay. So crypto ain't dead. That is your TA for self key. Looks like it's gonna have some nice price action to the upside. Okay, get out at 2 cents. Crypto saying crypto ain't dead. It's not a meme coin. No, I'm not saying that this is a meme coin. That I don't trade meme coins. I don't trade any coin that is below the top 10 on the coin market cap. But that's me. I'm just saying that if you guys want to trade coins like that, everything applies the exact same way, no matter what coins you're looking at. Whether you're looking at the top 10 or whether you're looking at coins like these, it applies. It's the same rules. It's the same game. No reason why you guys shouldn't be making money. No reason. Big shout out to Dr. Octo over on the TikTok. All coins are shit coins until they actually get used in real world situation, not just memes. Yeah, that's right. All coins are shit coins until they get used. And no reason why you guys shouldn't be making money on all the coins anyway. Just follow the rules. Just follow the rules, guys. Moving on to some Solana action. What is Solana doing? Wow. Solana struggling for life right there. Look at all this sideways price action stuck within the 382 on the Fibonacci. I believe that is bad news. Okay, let me get rid of this so it doesn't confuse the hell out of you guys. Let's identify the low. Let's identify the high. And let's identify the pullback on the high. So that translates to what? The Fibonacci. Draw out our Fibonacci. And look at that, guys. It found the support on the 382, but that is not the best scenario. I believe that there's going to be some more price action to the downside on Solana. Okay, because we haven't broken through. And I haven't heard any good news on Solana either. Nothing that'll drive some price action to the upside. Maybe I could be completely wrong. I don't know. You guys tell me. Big shout out to Karishira over on the TikTok. Thank you for that follow over on the TikTok. Guys, Solana, $14, $12. Those are my 2 entry prices. Let me write this down for you guys so you guys can take a screenshot of it. If it actually goes down, do remember that prices tend to go down on summer. Summer is heat, summer is down. So let's see if it actually goes down to the fire sale zone on the Fibonacci. $12.78. These are my 2 entry prices to get in on some Solana action. We might have a little bit of a bouncy bounce from there. Okay. Semi Q ball over on TikTok. Is Fibonacci your favorite indicator? Absolutely. I start with the Fibonacci. I'm not just the Fibonacci. I use the Fibonacci as the starting point to see if I'd actually want to trade that coin. Okay. If it's within the golden zone, then I trade that coin. If it's outside of the golden zone, I do not trade it. So I always start with the Fibonacci. But obviously, that's a lot more indicators that I use. I'm going to give you guys a taste of what my actual trading indicators look like. This is completely crazy. I'll show you guys how to do this type of trades, this type of indicators over here. But this is how it looks like when I do my technical analysis, when I do it for myself. I'll be showing you guys and teaching you how to read this type of chart, okay? But these are the indicators that I use when I do my trades, not just the Fibonacci. The Fibonacci only gives me the do I want to trade that coin, okay? But this is how my screen looks like, okay? I got 4 computer screens and I got 4 different coins, and this is how it looks like, okay? I use the Fibonacci to find if it has support and resistance. I use the trend meter to see what prices, if it's trending. I use the volatility oscillator to see if it's volatile, because I only make money on volatile coins. I don't want sideways action. I want either upswings or downswings. I use volume indicators to figure out if money's coming in or coming out. I use divergences to figure out money flow. I use the QQE MUD also as a money flow indicator, and I use the RSI to see if we are in support or resistance. So I know it looks like wow, But stick around. Okay, you're gonna learn how to trade like I am. And I'll be giving you guys for free how to do these type of analyses. Okay, but we have to master the Fibonacci first. That's why I always start with the Fibonacci with you guys. Later down the line, I'll be showing you and adding more value to the indicators. But for now, let's just master the Fibonacci. Okay, but this is just a little sneak peek of what it looks like when I do my technical analysis for myself. Okay, but let's master the Fibonacci first. Big shout out to Gigi. Thank you for that follow, my man. I'm trying to get to 3,000 followers over on TikTok so you guys can see the computer screen. I'm using OBS as a streaming software. So you guys don't have to look at my computer screen directly from the phone. I can just do it directly from OBS. Trying to get to that 3,000, guys. So a follow would be highly, highly appreciated. I think I have 1,700 followers. I'm super close. Let's see if we can get to that 3K follower mark, guys. That's my goal. Big shout out for Sam Abdel 935 over on the TikTok. Hey, buddy, what do you think about Pulse X? Pulse X. Let's look at Pulse X action, guys. I always start with, if you guys want to look at any coins whatsoever, I'll do some little bit of research. Let's look at Pulse X. Pulse X. Let's see what Pulse X does. Is this the coin that you want to look at? Pulse X. PLSX. God damn it. PLSX. Is that the coin? Oh, Pulse Chain. PLS. That's the coin. Yeah, I know Pulse X. Okay, PLS. PLS is trading in BitGet, by the way. That's cool. 0 trading fees over on BitGet, guys. So you can trade it there. So let's look at some Pulse SX action. So Pulse X, what do we got over here? Not that many, not that much trading volume over on BitGet. Let me see if I can find somewhere else I can have a bigger point of view. Pulse chain. Man, it doesn't give me. Come on, man. Let me see if I can find some other platform. OKX. Nah, even less. let's stick with BitGet. It's just that I'm saying that it has low trading history. So if it has low trading history, it's kind of finicky to do some technical analysis on the daily chart. But we can go to smaller time frames. Let's go to the 1 hourly, and let's see what is it doing. I'm seeing by the formation of the actual what's it called? Man, I'm drawing blank here. The candles, the formation of the candles are too thin. That means that there is very, very, very little volume, and very, very little volume can drive the price up or down. The volatility is crazy with this type of coins. Okay, no reason why you guys shouldn't be making money anyway. But can I identify a low? Can I identify a high? And can I identify a pullback on the high? Hell yes, I can. Big shout out to Rob Perezzi over on Twitch. Big shout out to you. Thank you for that follow over on the Twitch channel. Big shout out to you. So I have a shark fin formation, but careful with Pulse Chain, my man. The volatility on this type of coins are crazy. This is crazy trading. Okay, so let's draw out our Fibonacci first to figure out our demand zones. Big shout out to Rob Perezzi over high from Colombia. Big shout out to my brothers and sister over there on Colombia. Guys, Pulse Chain, looking nasty, my man. It's trading below the 618. Now, here's what happens when a coin trades below the 618. Let's say that you're walking out on the street and you're walking out on the cemented floor, the pavement, right? And you're walking and you're walking and you're walking. And then the next step, you get a sinkhole. You step on a sinkhole and you just drop to the ground. What do you think would happen to your trust levels when you're walking down that street. You're never going to walk down that street ever again because you don't trust it anymore. That's exactly what happens when an asset trades below the 618. Trust levels are very, very, very low. Okay, so it broke the 618 right here. And that means that the 618 now becomes resistance. And that is very, very difficult to break through. Okay, so pulse chain for me, it don't look that nice. It not looking too good for pulse chain. Okay, no reason why you guys shouldn't be stacking up on both pulse chain is trading below the 618. I'm just saying that there is better price action if you can find support within the 618 on the Fibonacci. If it trades below it, it's a no-go for me. Okay, no-go for me. But hey, completely up to you guys. Completely what you want to do. I trade my coins within the 618. Okay, if it's below it, I just wait. I wait till it closes above the 618. Okay, do with that information as you want, whatever you want to do. That's just how I trade it. Okay, I'm going to wait for pulse chain to close above 55 cents. Okay, do with that information as you may on pulse chain, my man. Yeah. Oh, that is nasty looking right there, guys. Head and shoulders sort of formation. Yeah, no, it's a no-go for me on pulse chain until it closes above the 618. Okay. Let's look at some Doge action. What is Doge doing right now? Doge, same as every other meme coin that got swallowed by Pepe coin. Guys, let me look at Pepe coin for a second. Let me look at Pepe coin for a second. Where is Pepe trading? No. I don't know why I thought Pepe was pumping. Nah, fuck Pepe coin. Let's go to Dogecoin. Dogecoin. All right. So Dogecoin. Do we have a low? Do we have a high? Do we have a pullback on the high? We always do the same thing. We have a low. We have a high. And we have a pullback on the high. Yes, we do. So what does that translate to? The Fibonacci. Okay. And just like pulse chain is trading below the 618 on the Fibonacci. And actually, all of these triangular formations right here, they're all trading below the 618. So if you want to do your Fibonacci on all of these triangles right here, lows and highs, they're all trading below the 618. Now, the thing about Dogecoin is that Doge is Papa Musk's coin. Whenever Papa Musk tweets, this coin pumps. So I really can't do any technical. It's highly manipulated by one person. One person is the one driving these prices, Elon Musk. I don't trade coins like these, guys. It's highly volatile, highly crazy, but no reason why you guys shouldn't be making money on it. You don't have to trade the way that I trade. It's completely up to you. It's trading below the 618. Start stacking up on some Dogecoin. Maybe you get a tweet by tomorrow. Elon Musk accepts Dogecoin as payment for whatever the fuck he wants to do with it. And then it pumps. But it just doesn't follow fundamentals. And if it doesn't follow fundamentals, doesn't follow the rules, I don't trade it myself. Okay? But you do whatever you guys want to do with it, okay? Completely up to you. If it goes down to 4 cents, that's a great zone to start stacking up on some Dogecoin. The bottom on the Fibonacci, okay? Big shout out to Crypto Stock Marcus. Thank you for that follow over on the TikTok. Let me look at the total market cap. You guys, remember, you can do the same analysis on the market cap, and market cap is going to give you whether the prices are going to go up or whether the prices are going to down in a macro point of view, because the total market cap is the entire market. Okay? And it follows the same rules. Do we have a low? Do we have a high? Yes. Do we have a pullback on the high? Yes. So that translates to what? Big shout out to Lions Den over on the TikTok. Do Cardano. All right, I forgot about Cardano. Let's do some Cardano action. Did I say anything about Cardano? I don't know. Let's do some Cardano action, guys. So Cardano on the daily chart, do we have a low? Do we have a high? Do we have a pullback on the high? Yes, we do. So we have a shark fin formation. That translates to what? The Fibonacci. All right. Look at this, guys. Cardano finding support within the 618. Twice it wicked through it. Twice. That's your signal to get in on some Cardano action, guys. I'm setting my limit buy order for 35 cents. Let me put it right here so you guys can take a screenshot of it. 0.3526. That's your entry price to get in on some Cardano action, my man. Every single time it's wicking through the 618, wicking through the 618. If it comes back down to the 618, stack up on some Cardano action, and then you wait, cross your fingers. You pray to the 4 winds that this actually pumps from here. Okay, but the best demand zone on Cardano is 35 cents. Okay, 35 cents. Getting some 35 cents, and then you wait. Is it going to close above 39 cents? If it does, then there is a high probability that we're going to get a 55 cent Cardano. Get it at 35, sell it at 55. Big shout out to Shuck over on TikTok. Should we buy XRP right now? No. Your buying scenario for XRP was 41 cents. Okay, 41 cents. But my target price is 70 cents. You buy it now at 50. I'm closing it at 70. If you look on the screen right now, we also have another low and another high. Okay, we also have another low right here and a high over here. You can technically take that information and translate it into a Fibonacci. The low, drag it to the high. Okay, this isn't based on any math whatsoever. This is me speculating that it is going to go down from here, and if it actually goes down from here, then we have another Fibonacci retracement scenario playing out right in front of you. Okay, so when do you want to go in on this possible pullback? I'm not saying that it's a possible pullback. 48 cents or 47. If it pulls back from here, those are your 2 entry prices to go in on XRP. You don't want to go in on XRP when it's on the green. You want to go in on XRP when it's in the fire sale zone on the Fibonacci. Okay, so maybe we'll have a little bit of a pullback down to 48 cents and 40 or 47. If it does, that's where I'm going to be stacking up on even more XRP. Okay, so my answer to you, Chuck, is no. Now is not the best case scenario to get in on XRP. It's within the fire sale zone at 48 and 47, and it could actually go lower from there also. Okay, it could go back down to 41 cents. I want to get them. You might want to get on that action too. Chuck over on the TikTok, it's 47 cents here in the Netherlands. You can get it at 47 cents on the Netherlands, bro. Bro, you just blew my mind. If you can get it at 47 cents in one exchange, you can sell it at 50 in another. That's called arbitraging. If you can get 47 cent XRP in one exchange and sell it at 50, that's an instant win. That's called arbitraging, completely doable in crypto, and nobody can stop you. Get a KuCoin account, get a BitGet account, buy it on whatever exchange you can get it cheaper at, and then you send it to BitGet and you can convert it into USD Tether. That's an instant win. So you're lucky, my man. If you can get it at 48 cents in Netherlands right now, just do that. I wish I could do that. I can't do that. because I'm not I don't live in the Netherlands. I don't have a passport over there. The same for Korean exchanges. You can buy on a US exchange and you can sell it in the Korean exchanges for a higher value. You can buy it in Netherlands and sell it in Korea if you can get a Korean exchange to accept you. If you have anybody that lives there, you can do that too, man. It's hey, don't I didn't say nothing, but that's called arbitraging and it's completely legal in crypto. User 1378, user 13 asking me over on the TikTok, are you longing ADA? Big shout out to Mike. Thank you for that gifter badge. Thank you for that rose. Big shout out to you. Thank you for the support, my man. Thank you so much. So I am not long right now on Cardano because I'm 100% in on XRP. My entire crypto portfolio is on XRP right now. Don't do that. That is completely stupid. Don't ever put all your eggs in one basket. I am an idiot. You shouldn't be listening to me anyways. I'm just a guy on YouTube and on TikTok just recording my journey in crypto. I have all of my portfolio on XRP, and right now my trade is on XRP and I'm up 95%. Okay? But Cardano, juicy to the upside. Okay? You should be on a long on Cardano if it goes to 35 cents. Okay? That's what I would do. If it goes to 35 cents and I had a little bit of more money, I'm broke right now because everything is on XRP. Then I would go in on a long on Cardano at 35 cents, 35.26. Man, I'm starving. I'm hungry, bro. Thinking about splurging today. Today's what? Today's Thursday or today's Friday? What's today? See, when you live inside an office 24 hours a day, you don't really know what's daytime or nighttime. Today's Thursday. Thinking about splurging. I don't know. I want to go all in. I'm starving. I am very hungry. So yeah, guys, oh, wait, before I go, let's look at Dixie. You know, one thing I always do, I compare the US dollar to crypto. Remember that the US dollar has an inverse relationship with cryptocurrency. Okay. So when one goes up, the other one goes down. It makes sense because you use the US dollar to buy Bitcoin and you sell Bitcoin for US dollars. So I tend to look at crypto and flipping it over with the US dollar. So I go to DXY. I go to DXY and I look at what the US dollar is doing. Because when one pumps, the other one dumps most of the times. Not always, most of the times. And right now, what is the US dollar doing right here? This is called a W formation with a double bottom. Okay, this is a pattern. This is a bullish pattern, by the way, for the US dollar. Which, in the back of my head, when I'm doing my Bitcoin trading, if the US dollar is pumping, most likely the Bitcoin price is going to dump. This is what I say when I look at Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is not trading within the golden zone on the daily chart, okay? But the US dollar is pumping to the upside. What is the major resistance zones on the W formation? The middle zone right here. If it breaks above $105, then rest assured that there is going to be a little mini dumpy dump on Bitcoin, okay? Because that is mega bullish for the US dollar. Okay, even though, let me zoom out. When in doubt, zoom out. Let me see. Zoom out. Yeah, W formation, classic W formation right there. So keep an eye out on the US dollar. If it closes above 105, there's going to be a little mini dumpy dump on Bitcoin. Okay, but you already know my entry prices for Bitcoin. We're still not in it, nowhere near. My entry price for Bitcoin is 23K or 24K. Okay. Lions Den over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you. You trade on the daily chart. Yes, I trade on the daily chart. F not over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you. Thoughts on Luna C? Fuck Luna. My man, I lost so much money to fucking Terra Luna. But we'll do. Fuck Terra Luna. I hate with a passion Terra Luna. I lost a bunch of money thanks to that motherfucker. Well, it's really, I can't really blame anybody. It's crypto. Crypto is, it's the land of the wolves, guys. If you're in crypto, you gotta expect that you're gonna lose money. Luna C. Wait, no, not Luna. Terra Luna. It's Luna C, right? Oh man, nasty on Terra Luna, guy, on Luna C. Ah, no, that's a no-go. Look at this. That's a no-go for me on Luna, my man. It don't get any clearer than that. Let's zoom in on the last few candles. It's breaking that support from here. No, man, no, this sucker's gonna, this is what you don't want to see a chart to do. So it's a no for me on Luna C. This is a no-no. This is a no-no coin. This sucker's trading below zero so much. No. That's a no-go for me. But in no way, shape, or form does that mean that you shouldn't take some money, make some money on Luna C. It's on the bottom. It's trading on all-time lows. It's hitting rock bottom. There's only one way to go when you go to rock bottom, and that's up. Do whatever you want to do, but for me, it's a no-go on Luna. It's on the bottom. Your best bet to get in on this type of coin right here is the bottom. See if you can get a double bottom. If you can get a double bottom at this price range right here, 0.123479776. That's your best possible playable scenario for Luna C. If you're gonna get in, that's how I would get in. But no, that's a no for me. That's a no for me. That's a kick-ass song, by the way. What song is that? By the way, guys, music provided to you by Art of Techno over on the YouTube. Big shout out to them. I love this type of music. Let me write that down. I want to get that song. That's a kick-ass song. Big shout out to Sid Fade over on the TikTok. You want to look at QNT? Let's look at QNT. What is QNT doing right here? I know that QNT is doing some big things. That's another big ass great coin to have. Let's look at QNT. All right, my man. So a few days ago, I did this analysis on a few live streams back. Guys, if you want to look at my previous live streams, all of them are being recorded into my YouTube channel. So you can go ahead and watch all of my live streams re-recorded from there, okay? So QNT, look at this, my man. Found support within the golden zone. Found support again within the golden zone. That means that this line is being retested twice. Every single time a line gets retested, that line becomes weaker and weaker and weaker. And it 3 or more touches on a line becomes a trend line, okay, that you can follow that trend. So right now, this 0.5 is becoming a little weaker and a little weaker and a little weaker. When do you want to go in on QNT? Right now, it's testing the 382. Is it going to, if it closes above the 382, then you're going to get a $400 QNT. That's a 4x on your money, but it has to close above the 382. If it doesn't close above the 382, then it's going to test back down on the golden zone on the Fibonacci. So your best bet to get in on some QNT action is either $96 or, in my case, $78. If I was going to go in on QNT, it would be at $78. Okay? But it's testing. It's trying to break through that 382. Let's see if it actually does. Hope you stuck up on some QNT before when it bounced on the Fibonacci. $78. That's my entry price. Mike over on the TikTok. Big shout out to you. 382. What does that mean? Very simple, my man. So, first things first, you need the Fibonacci. Whenever you draw out your Fibonacci, like that, these, by the way, are the settings for my Fibonacci. Take a screenshot of that. For whenever you do your Fibonacci, this is how I set up my Fibonacci. Okay, so take a screenshot of that. Use the same colors, use the same numbers, uncheck everything that I don't have checked in here. Set it up exactly like how I have it, okay? Take a screenshot of that, okay? You got it? All right, so it's gonna give you values. It's going to give you lines. Those lines are called support and resistance, okay? The highest support is always going to be the 0.5 and the 618. Remember that the 618 is the highest demand zone. The highest demand zone on whatever asset. That means, would you rather buy an iPhone for $2,000 or do you want to buy it at a sale for $500? It's the same iPhone, no matter what price it is. You're going to want to buy it at $500, correct? Well, that's what the 618 is. It's the highest driving force where the highest demand zone is for that asset because people would rather buy it at that price than at a higher price. That's what the 618 is, okay? The golden pocket, the golden zone, or what I call it, the fire sale zone, okay? The fire sale because it's like a fire sale. It's like a Black Friday, okay? I'd rather buy it at the 618 than at all-time highs, okay? You buy low, you sell high. The 382 is it's a resistance zone. If support is the 618, the 382 is the resistance. The resistance is, for example, you try to jump and hit the roof of your house. You can't go any further until you jump really hard and you go through it. The 382 is that resistance, that top, that is not allowing you to break through out of your roof. Okay? That's what resistance is here. That 382 is that price range where not a lot of people are willing to buy it at. So you're going to find resistance. A lot of people are going to start taking profits at that zone. But if it breaks the 382, if you break your roof when you jump, the sky is the limit. Okay? You can just keep going higher because now that 382 becomes support. You flip it around. Okay? 382 becomes support. And if it becomes support, the next leg up is the negative 382, like I have here on the screen, which is this zone right here. What does that mean? That if it finds support within the 382, which is this white line that I have drawn right here, your take profit, where are you going to close your trade, is on the negative 382, the flip side, that negative 382 right here. Okay? Okay? That's how I trade it, okay? That's how I use the Fibonacci. Just support and resistance. Nothing else. It's not that special, guys. It's just one indicator of 1,000 out there. The upside down. Yes, that's right. That's right, Mike. That's the upside down. The flip side. Thank you for that, Rose. Big shout out to Mike. Thank you for that, Rose, my man. Thank you, everybody here on the live stream. You guys are amazing. Make sure that you follow me on every one of my platforms. I stream everywhere. Make sure you hit the like button. Make sure you follow. You make sure you subscribe on whatever platform you look. I'm streaming on Twitch, on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok, on Kick, wherever you want to see me. Go ahead and make sure that you follow me there. And if I didn't answer your questions on the live stream today, remember, this is my chat right now on TikTok. There's no way I can read that out loud. I'll be doing a little bit of research to see if I can find another chat box, a bigger chat bot for TikTok. But until now, this is all I got. So if I didn't answer your questions today, my man, head over to my Discord. I'm there 24 hours a day, and that's a very nice community there of people who have been trained by me. So if I'm not there to answer your questions, somebody else is there. Will be, okay? But I'm there 24 hours a day, every single day. Any questions that you guys have, anything you want to learn, completely free, guys, okay? Completely free. Make sure you sign up for my Discord over on the link in bio. It's in my bio, or if you're in a platform, it's on the link below the video. Okay, guys. Well, That's all I got for you today, my man. I'm gonna go get something to eat. I'm starving right now. Do remember, I stream every single day at 5 p.m. Eastern. Okay, I always give you that hour of power. I always do a little bit more, you know. So I'll be back tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern, if God permits. Make sure you like, subscribe from whatever platform that you are looking on me at. I will be back again tomorrow, 5 p.m. Eastern. So if you guys have any questions whatsoever, go ahead and don't miss out. Okay, make sure you also subscribe to my Discord link in bio. So you have any questions that you have, go ahead and ask it over there. And make sure you like, follow, subscribe, hit the notification bell from whatever platform you're looking on me at. Thank you, everybody, for stopping by. I had a great time. Hope you did, too. I had a fantastic time. I'm going to go get something to eat. I'm starving, that's for sure. And I will see you again tomorrow, 5 p.m. Eastern. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for all your likes and subscribes and all the donations. I appreciate each and every one of you. This is why I do it, guys. It's for you. Thank you for stopping by, guys. Had a great time. I hope we see you again tomorrow, 5 p.m. God bless. Take care and have a good one.